The only problem is when you are depressed and you're unable to come out of it, and it sort of maybe leads to mental deterioration, or you how to fight depression. Look for positive things that can make you see, okay, reason to wake up in the morning. Okay, I'm seeing something new. Healing takes a while, and please don't let this depression state lead to any form of suicidal thoughts. You're welcome. Thank you for joining me today again. So today I want to talk about fighting depression. A few weeks back, I met a young man during a training session, and he explained to me how he lost his entire funds, his entire coins, when there was a devastating dip, like a crash. So he made me realize that since that particular year till up to now, he has been in a state of depression because the money he lost was, if you convert it, it's a lot of money, and it's sincerely understandable. And that's why even myself, things like all those coins and stuff like that, I don't understand it. I've tried, but I don't know how to go about it. I don't even invest in it. I don't fund it. I don't, I have, I'm not saying if you understand it or you do it, it's fine. Just do you. But I'll say that while talking to him, it made me realize that additionally, he doesn't go out. It's most times at home because trading is his full-time job. He does nothing else. So while at it, he decided that let him just step outside and learn a skill. So he decided to learn a skill. And I believe with him learning that skill, that's helped him socialize, come out of that consuming state of depression. So I'm bringing this video here to also help those that are currently fighting depression right now. Time when some people are depressed, they start eating a lot of things. They just start eating. Some people, when they are depressed, they even start getting fatter. Some people, when they are depressed, they get extremely slim. So this depression issue, it's different for different people, sincerely. So there's no one way to find those that are depressed, or one pattern that fits people that are depressed. The only problem is when you are depressed and you're unable to come out of it, and it sort of maybe leads to mental deterioration, or you even thinking of committing suicide and feel like the world is over, there's nothing else for me to do here. So how to fight depression? First of all, you have to find the source. What is the reason? What is causing you to be in that state of depression? Because that will help us to find a new move, a new focus, or a new way to seek direction. For example, when you are going somewhere and you're already in the track, moving forward on that track is not going to even give you any solution. The only thing is just for you to stop there and turn back. Right now, first of all, find the source, the reason for the depression. Number two is for you to find a new source of motivation, even if it means for you to learn a skill, for you to do something new, something that can just sort of distract you, right, from that current state that you are. You just need something that would energize you, something from within that will push you to see life afresh. Do something you've not done before. Just, I don't know, you can even learn cooking if you're a guy. You can do something entirely out of your zone, but positively. Remember, as long as it's not going to affect your mental state, or it's not going to affect your well-being in general, please do it. Do it. Because there are some other negative ways people sort of distract themselves from depression, that the aftermath effect is going to affect their mental health, it's going to affect them physically, spiritually, and emotionally. So that is not part of what we're talking about here. So just look for positive things that can make you see, okay, reason to wake up in the morning. Okay, I'm seeing something new. I'm doing this. I'm working on this project. I'm working on this skill, and it can just make you come alive. Number three is step outside. This is the right time for you to socialize, network with people. Staying inside is not the solution. When I mean staying inside, not like literally staying within the four walls. I mean staying boxed up in your mind, boxed up in your space. It's not the solution. Now try to step out, try to socialize, try to talk to people, try to, open up to people. Additionally, sometimes when you open up to people, it doesn't make you feel like, oh, you are, especially when you open up to the right people. I'm laying emphasis on right people, the right person. When you open up to them, it's just like you've unburdened this load that is so cumbersome that you offload everything and you just take a good deep breath and it's all over. At least from there, when the person listens to you, I'm sure as long as you spoke to the right person, they would most likely give you some therapeutic advice at their own level, right? So step outside of your comfort zone, do something new, experience life differently. And the last point I'll be leaving here is be patient with yourself. Sometimes healing takes a while. Additionally, some people, what is even making them depressed is money. Calm down, money would come. As long as you are doing the right thing, you have the right skills, you are praying, you're networking with people, you are putting yourself out there, aggressively putting yourself out there, whether it's on social media, whether it's meeting people, talking to. In fact, today while I was coming, I was buying something and somebody came up to me and said, "Oh, this is what I do, this is what I say." Oh wow, what a courage. Even myself, I don't think I could be able to do that. But just aggressively put yourself out there. Social media, walk up to people and tell them this is what I do. How are you? I would like to meet you, and just free up your spirit and open up yourself to the new. And please, don't let this depression state lead to any form of suicidal thoughts. The world is not over. This phase where you are would pass. Trust me, it will pass. So just relax. Give yourself time to heal. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with your progress. Don't set unrealistic goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know you don't have the mind and you're going to do some crazy risk with money or with things or with life in general. If you know that your risk threshold is 1%, people of God, don't do it. Or if you know that you're gallant and you don't, right? Anything happens, you are fine. Fine. Just do investments that make sense, right? I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And please engage with me in the community section. Update a lot of my thoughts there, and I would love to hear from you. And if you like to learn French in 3 months, please do well to use the link in the description box. The next cohort is about to kick off, and don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.